Welcome back to Containing Luxury. On this episode, we're going to be discussing, should we go matte black cabinets or keep it lighter? Let's get started. So, big question. I think I'm gonna go matte black cabinets I already bought the appliances for the 640 square foot, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom main house. I kind of want to go ultra modern and kind of crazy on that one. And since we have so much natural light coming in with all those huge floor to ceiling glass windows, I'm thinking matte black cabinets with concrete gray countertops and the black stainless Samsung appliances. I think it's going to be freaking awesome. However, for the 40 foot, which is really our model for what we're going to be kind of mass producing, that one, since you know inside of a 40 foot container like so, it's crazy to think this is where we started. This is where it all began, is building this test subject. Let's see if I can actually get in here. Sweet, I have this little electronic thing on here, so I was able to get in. Okay, so I'm not tracking anything in. You can kind of see, like, this one's all light and bright. And this is kind of like was our first design on building container homes. So being that they're so skinny to begin with, I feel like we should maybe go with like white cabinets again. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Should we switch it up and obviously keep the ceilings and walls really light and bright, but bring some contrast in with some maybe some dark wood cabinets and then maybe like a white quartz countertop? I just don't want to, close it in. And actually being in here right now, again, with no lights on, this actually is freaking awesome. We would definitely live in this. This is super cool. I actually haven't been in here because it's been rented out. Just the whole concept of this one, I think it actually just turned out really nice in here. So do you think we should copy what we did here, keep everything ultra modern, maybe even go with a white lacquered cabinet door instead of the white shaker, or just virtually copy what we did in here? We do have a new layout for the new one. I don't know if we're going to want to keep it that way, honestly. Let me know what you guys think about this layout. You've got your kitchen area. With everything emptied out, it seems like it has a lot of room in here. But then you kind of come down this hallway where this was like your separation between your bedroom and bathroom from the rest of the place. So, I mean, I think the concept of this actually works quite nice. And I love this, this louvered pocket door, and then that brings you into the bathroom. Now, the only thing is with this design is the bathroom can't be utilized without somebody being technically in your bedroom. But it's also a 40 foot container home. So are you really gonna have anybody in here that you don't trust to be in your bedroom? Probably not. So that's kind of where, we have our shower here. We had our cool vanity, which is a full 60-inch vanity. I mean, there's a lot of cabinets there. And then that was just closet space where you could easily fit maybe a small stackable washer and dryer. And then that was where your toilet is behind there. So I actually do love the design of this one with these big, wide open. It's nice and light and bright in here. And honestly, this is really nice. I'm gonna get out of this one. I really freaking like this. I'm shocked at how shocked I am about our own container home that we built before. I might have to build another one of these with that floor plan. I really like it. But I'm excited about the new one too. It's different. It's starting to rain on me now. Oh, it's really coming down. the whole theory is to be able to, you know, for what we're doing is to make them affordable, low income, energy efficient, super strong, and direct trailer replacement, you know, something that's going to outlast anything else on the market that's in the comparable price range. So, but man, going back to that one, I was amazed. But anyway, the whole point of this video is reaching out to our subscribers and everyone that watches our channel and help make the decision on, should we follow the concept of what we did in that guy and go with the nice light and bright everything, or try and incorporate maybe some darker tones and some contrast in there, or just leave it blank slate like that and let people, you know, kind of do the customizations themselves. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. I'm still like shocked at how shocked I am about our own container build. Like, I completely forgot what that thing was like inside. So anyway, guys, that's all I got. Containing Luxury out. Make sure to hit the subscribe and like and share and help us support our channel. So anyway, also, literally for real, hit the comments and let me know what we should do for the cabinetry, because we are, it's kind of a new announcement as well, is teaming up with this company out in California that builds these like super awesome custom and USA made cabinets. So they're definitely a pretty penny. They're not the cheapest way to go. But again, you know, we're trying to build relationships with people that we can do some high-end stuff on an inexpensive, look how bad it started raining, inexpensive way to come up with still a high-end product. So we're going to do a bunch of built-ins on the new one, something that we can, like, you know, we're going to spend some money on this first one, but then hopefully we can be like, okay, we're going to order a ton of these, and that's where we're hopefully going to make our money back. But that's all I got. It's pouring rain. I'm going to go back inside, try and edit some video. You guys might not know, but I've actually been editing the video recently. So that's how I'm able to get some more content out. I'm going to try and start posting probably at least 2 videos a week, maybe 3 videos a week. So I'm going to definitely try and get some more content out a lot sooner. The reason I've also been able to get these out is that I flew back to Florida. So being in Texas, I have like no internet. I'm on the land out there, and it's a lot more difficult to get content out. It would probably take like an hour to upload the video, or sorry, like literally 8 hours to upload the video. It takes like an hour here. Anyway, that's it. ADD, Containing Luxury, out.